Let's get into linear algebra concepts in computer graphics. We'll start by looking at properties of geometric vectors, primarily scaling and addition. Let's create a vector A and a vector B, represented by matrix A1, A2, and matrix B1, B2, respectively. A1 and A2 represent the x and y coordinates of the vectors. This matrix can be rewritten as 1, A1, 1, A2, and 1, A1, A2. The 1 is called the scalar. By altering the scalar k, we can change the length of the vector. Now we'll go over position matrices. This can be represented in any number of dimensions, whether it be R2, R3, or R4. But for visual sake, we'll use a 2D coordinate system. Let's first establish an origin at 0, 0, and create 2 points. Point A at 0, 2, and point B at 1, 0. By taking the difference of these 2 points, we can derive a third vector matrix with value -1, 2, corresponding to coordinates -1, 2, as visualized on the graph. Now let's talk about translations. Translations are quite simple, as we are simply taking a vector and performing either addition or subtraction on it. This allows us to move the vector wherever we'd like within our coordinate plane. In this case, we move the vector to coordinate 4, 3 by adding vector 3, 2 to our visualized vector 1, 1. The algebraic notation for how this is done is shown on screen. Now let's say we want to rotate our vector 45 degrees to the left, counterclockwise. We can do this by multiplying our visualized vector 4, 3 by the rotational vector shown on screen. This rotates the vector 45 degrees counterclockwise as intended. While at first these transformations using matrices may seem irrelevant to computer graphics, when taking a deeper dive, computer graphics is all about position, translation, and rotation. Even games as simple as Minecraft, a game full of blocks, a character is moving around, you are witnessing a 3D world on a 2D space, and the computer is having to make calculations that translate that 3D world into 2D vectors. These transformations are essential, even on the most basic level, to being able to view digital images on a screen.